Oh my God, where do I start with you, girl? Where do I start with you? आपकी पहली डिज्नी मेमोरी क्या है? वहां से शुरू करते हैं.
हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हो? मजे में? मस्त एकदम. बड़ा है. क्या बात है. सुपर्ब. यार मेरी फर्स्ट डिज्नी मेमोरी. I think कि all of us over here have so many Disney films because every other animated film is a Disney film when you're growing up. So I feel like for all of us, and not just me, I think I can speak for everybody in this room, all our earlier years, all our growing up years have been about Disney films. And Bachpan has been spent in that, and that's exactly how it's been for me as well. And that's why it's been so special to lend my voice for a Disney film because बचपन से जुड़ी हुई यादें हैं तो it just becomes that much more special. For me, I think I don't know. There are so many, but if I have to say, do I have to pick one or two?
हाँ, कोई भी जो अभी बहुत ज्यादा फ्लैश हो रही है आंखों के सामने क्या है वो?
See, can you guys guess which? वो भी है, वो भी है. हाँ? See, okay, at the end of the day, I think that every girl can relate that Cinderella is is definitely very, very close to my heart. है ना? Do we all relate? I mean, like, yeah, Cinderella, and then you grow up and you're like, you want your dream to come true, and I think it's so relatable. So for me, it'll definitely be Cinderella, and also Snow White is also a very, very close one to me. But yeah, so many memories, and I have to say a big thanks to my parents for letting me watch all of the Disney animated films
I should also
while,
thank them.
while growing up and really making it a part of my childhood.
What about Judy Hopps? क्योंकि she's perky, she's fun, she's also feisty like you. कुछ ऐसा special relation लगा जब आपने you took this up and you found this magic within you?
मैं आपको बताऊँ exactly as आपने बताया, I felt a connection with Judy Hopps. मुझे लगा कि यार काफ़ी सारे similarities है मुझ में और Judy Hopps में. मुझे लगता है कि हम we both have our head on our shoulders. And यहाँ पे now I will, how do you say good things about myself and Judy Hopps also. So we both have our heads on our shoulders. And I could also really relate to the fact that वो ना एक एंथू कटलेट है. तो मतलब वो जो भी करती है वो इतने enthusiastic बन के करती है और she is very, how do you say, she is, जब उसको अथॉरिटेटिव बनना होता है वो बनती है, जब उसको सॉफ्ट बनना होता है वो बनती है. तो आई फील लाइक टू लेंड माई वॉइस टू दिस कैरेक्टर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ फन. एंड ऑल्सो जब बचपन में आईने के सामने बैठ के, मुझे पता नहीं आप सबने ये किया है कि नहीं, पर मैंने तो बहुत किया जब मैं छोटी थी. मैं और मेरे भैया हम दोनों मतलब अलग अलग वॉइसेस में एक दूसरे से बात करते थे. एंड वी यूज़ टू इमिटेट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑल्सो, एंड वी यूज़ टू imitate a lot of people in our schools and a lot of people around us and all of that. तो ये सब टाइम पास हम सब करते थे. तो now to actually lend my voice for Judy Hopps, it's a lot of fun. I think my entire family is also very excited about this, I have to say, because it's something so fun to do.
And Star Studio 18 and with Zootopia 2 एक association जो बन गया है, that must be something super special for you as a professional as well, है ना? कैसा था?
I also have to say that for me, this has been, I have to say thank you for giving me this experience, because डबिंग स्टूडियो में जाके जब आप खुद के लिए आवाज़ दे रहे हो ना, एंड फॉर एनी कैरेक्टर दैट यू आर प्लेइंग, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. एंड फॉर मी टू गिव माई वॉइस फॉर अ बनी, and a bunny who is really cool, who's really lovable,
Bunny who's funny
and,
also, actually.
who's funny and who does a lot of masti and a lot of dhamal. I have to say it was such a fun experience. जिस तरह से आपको अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करना होता है, यू हैव टू रियली बी एबल टू स्केल द इंटायर स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ व्हाट यू कैन डू, एंड उसमें ना मतलब एक छूट मिलती है. तो सो दैट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन फॉर मी, रियली अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
Then
हमारा एक किस्सा है इमिटेशन का ना, आपका और मेरा. तो शी हैज़ ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस्ड मी इमिटेटिंग समवन, and after that I didn't go back to school. So
Teacher
because it was everywhere.
वो वायरल हो गया था बहुत.
तो हाँ.
टीचर थी ना आपकी?
Yes.
What she was asking you to not keep
But
quiet.
then after that I didn't go back to school.
Okay, guys, thank you very much for your questions. But before I come to them, सबसे relatable character trait जो जूडी हॉब्स में है, जो आपको लगता है, एक तो ऑफ कोर्स उसकी बड़ी आंखें देखकर और उसकी शी इज वार्म बबली बट येस शी नोज हर माइंड, यू नो दैट्स वेरी यू. व्हाट्स द मोस्ट रिलेटेबल कैरेक्टर जूडी हॉब्स का आपके लिए?
So there are lots of, I think, characteristics. I think कि उसको गाजर भी बहुत पसंद है, मतलब वो फूडी है. मतलब वो फूडी है. और I think that apart from that, I can relate to her is the enthu cutlet aspect, if I'll be very honest with you, because I also know कि if something really excites me and if I'm in that go mode about something, then even I get very positive about it, and I'm like, come on, let's do this and let's go for it. And I think that is something similar about us.
जूडी के अलावा और कौन से कैरेक्टर आपको बहुत पसंद आते हैं इन ज़ूटोपिया?
यार मुझे बहुत गैरी ना बहुत क्यूट लगता है. आई थिंक ही इज़ अ वेरी वेरी लवेबल स्नेक, एंड वो इतना प्यारा है. उसकी आंखें और उसका एक जो टूथ है, आप एक उसका प्यारा सा दांत देखते हो तो इतना क्यूट लगता है वो. तो आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी वेरी स्वीट.
अगर जूडी मुंबई के ट्रैफिक में फंसती, जो वो फंसती, तो और उसके ड्राइविंग स्किल्स तो उनके क्या बोले, और आपकी गाड़ियाँ तो हम क्या कहें. बताओ अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक जैम में फंसती तो वो कैसे क्या बोलती? अब श्रद्धा हमको बताएंगी, नहीं सॉरी जूडी हमको बताएंगी.
अगर जूडी ट्रैफिक में फंसती
हाँ,
तो वो एक्चुअली
क्या बोलती?
वो लॉ अबाइडिंग सिटीजन है. वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेती सिचुएशन को, चुपचाप बैठती वहाँ पे और शायद एक गाजर खाती.
पर कुछ तो बोलती भी ना. आप जूडी स्टाइल में बोलो थोड़ा, तो हमको वी वांट टू हियर.
वो मैं बचा के रखती हूँ.
ओके फाइन, ओके we'll do that later.
वो बनी पे आता है ना, मजा आता है फिर.
Alright, these are your questions. Thank you for your questions. तो सबसे पहली बात, वो बड़ी एक्सप्रेसिव आंखें, ऑन स्क्रीन एनर्जी, सब कुछ दिख रहा है, मैच हो रहा है जूडी हॉब्स के साथ. बट अगर उनकी एक नॉन स्टॉप एनर्जी, जज्बा और डिटर्मिनेशन के आगे अगर एक चीज़ आपको इस एक्सपीरियंस में एज एन एक्टर, एज अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन बहुत फुलफिलिंग लगा, वो क्या था?
बहुत ही मज़ा आया टू बी एबल टू मॉड्यूलेट with my voice. And मतलब आप तो ये हर वक्त करते हो, and we were just, Ajit and I were also just talking about how beautiful your voice is and how energetic your voice is. And मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया to be able to play this character. And when you see the film also, there are certain things in certain ways in which she speaks, और अलग अलग तरीक़ों से वो अपनी आवाज़ को मॉड्यूलेट करती है. जब बहुत गुस्से में होती है वो कैसे बात करती है, जब मजाक कर रही होती है तो कैसे बात करती है. तो टू रियली एक्सप्लोर ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड टू, हाउ डू यू से, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक भी है एंड शी इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड वेरी लवेबल सो आई हैव टू से ऑल्सो आई वॉज इन सच अ गुड मूड when you know I was just happy whenever I was going into the dub studio and dubbing. So I really enjoyed that. I think to be able to bring out a character just with your voice. And also it's not that it's my voice. Of course it's my voice,
But
but
you have to be the
you have to
character's
be
voice.
the character's voice and you have to make sure that you're bringing out those specific personality traits and that specific kind of intonation and modulation.
I want us to, for a moment, Shraddha, you and me, clap for some of the beautiful people in this audience today, उन जिनमें से हमारे friends हैं, जो छोटे शहरों से आके इतनी बड़ी-बड़ी चीज़ें कर चुके हैं. We want to clap for you because that's exactly who Judy Hopps is. Nobody thought she could do what she did with her life, and I know many of you have done that. है ना?
That's true also. She has this attitude which is I mean you can't tell me what I can't do. And that attitude is very, I think it's inspiring for all of us. It's inspiring for me also. And at the same time, you know, she retains her softness also about herself, which is really nice.
That is your superpower, and I know that I've told you कि कितनी प्यारी चीज़ों के लिए आपका दिल धड़कता है, despite you being, you know, up there in the sky, shining like a star for us, and still shining your light upon every small and big thing that touches your heart. है ना? I know she's saying ये क्या हो रहा है अर्चू? You know, all girls can relate to Judy for that righteousness. जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है हम we are born with it at some level. लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कि छोटे शहरों से आके ये बड़े सपने जो वो पूरे करते हैं, आपके लिए has there been a personal anecdote where you've seen people like that around you and got inspired? Because by the grace of God, आपके लिए वो एक setup था. You had a family who was already there in that sense. You just had to inspire yourself. But do you feel you saw someone and felt, wow, this is so inspiring? ऐसा कोई था आपके आसपास?
No, of course, I feel like, I mean, even be it at home, be it learning from my father, his entire journey, how he came from Delhi, he came from a non-filmy family and all of that, that is a separate thing. I mean, आप जो पूछ रहे हो around me all the time, I think that, you know, me being an actor, actors are in the front of everything, right? They are on the poster, they come and talk to everybody, they give interviews and they interact with everyone. But the thing is that nobody who is in the front is able to do what they do without everybody who's at the back. And it's not possible only. And that is
team effort है.
absolutely. And nobody can do anything alone. And कोई कुछ अकेला नहीं कर सकता. There is always a force and there is always an entire team of people around them. There are people who inspire them all the time. And for me also, I'm constantly surrounded by people who I'm very grateful to be surrounded by, who are in my life. Because without them, and I have a very long list. Very, very long
so
list.
sweet.
Absolutely, because
तो मतलब आपके लाइफ में निक वाइल्ड्स बहुत हैं.
you know, I feel like definitely my entire family is there, who, you know, they've been my pillar through and through. But I also have to say that people who I work with also, you know, people who instill their faith in me and say that, you know, okay, let's make this movie together or let's do this together. It's a big deal and it's something that I really, really cherish.
जूडी हॉप जो है वो अपनी लाइफ को रीडिफाइन करती है. शी इज कॉन्स्टेंटली इन द नो ऑफ कि अच्छा मैंने शायद यहाँ गलती कर ली, ये कर दिया. शी इज वेरी सेल्फ अवेयर. डू यू हैव अ पर्सनल जूडी हॉप मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ?
But actually, let me come back to your question. If I had to pick my real life Nick, I would say that I have a few Nicks, and that's my mom, my dad, and my brother. I would say that they are my Nicks in my life. And a real life Judy Hopps moment.
है?
अरे काफ़ी सारे हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि यू नो टू बी एन एंथू कटलेट अबाउट समथिंग. आई वाज एन एंथू कटलेट अबाउट कमिंग हियर ऑल्सो टुडे बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू मीट एवरीबडी एंड यू नो टू टॉक टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो आई थिंक दैट आई हैव अ जूडी हॉप्स मोमेंट every single day.
You've done so many inspiring characters, and some of them even had negative shades. उनमें से ड्रॉ करके इस वॉइस में लाना और उसमें ढालना कुछ आपको याद आती है कि शायद यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया, यहाँ से मैंने कुछ पिक किया?
मैं आपको सच कहूँ, आई थिंक वेयर आई रियली ड्रू इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम वाज फ्रॉम माय बचपन.
ओके.
आई हैव टू से जो बचपन से वो अंदर, आई थिंक आई रियली सबकॉन्शियसली वांटेड टू गिव माय वॉइस फॉर एन एनिमेटेड फिल्म. एंड व्हेन दिस हैपेंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक अभी
Yes.
मज़ा आने वाला है. And so I think that it's my childhood. I think a part of my childhood has been complete by, you know, being a part of this film.
And it's a $1 billion beautiful franchise, Zootopia 2. It must be a bit of a show-off moment कि boss मैं animated movie का हिस्सा हूँ, Disney movie
You
का.
know, what I love about Zootopia, very honestly, is the fact that, you know, although it's an animated film, it has a really wide appeal.
Yeah.
You can take your kids, you can take your friends, your family, and you know, they have these little lessons in them and these themes which, you know, everybody can relate with.
Yeah.
So that is something that I really liked. And in a mazedar way, you know, you're watching an animated film and you go back happy.
So all the fans and all our wonderful friends from media, कुछ message है आपके लिए as Judy Hopps, as Shraddha, what would you like to tell them?
To say कि अभी हाँ कौन कौन
अरुण पूछेगा?
अच्छा पहले मैं मैसेज दे दूँ चलेगा. मेरा मैसेज जस्ट यही है कि पहली बार आई एम lending my voice for an animated film और मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया and I hope that you know all of you enjoy it as well. And it feels really nice that animated films are growing year by year in India, and you know all of us and our families are loving it, so I'm really happy to be a small part of that.
एंड जैसे बचपन में आप और आपके भाई वो आईने के सामने खड़े होके देखते थे, क्या Zootopia 2 आप पूरे परिवार के साथ जाके देखोगे फ्रेंड्स को लेकर?
Definitely. I think that my family will also be very excited to see how Judy Hopps is in my voice. Thank you.